Hi, how you doing? It's Jeff here. Just wanted to say hello. It's 11:15 here for midnight. Sorry, 11:15, nearly midnight. But I did promise you would get this short video to you. Do it on Zoom, and I'll send it over to you. So, strategies we're doing. I'll share right now. Then I have a small mentoring group, and it's a combination of things we can trade. We can trade futures, we can trade gold, we can trade Forex, crypto. We do absolutely everything. We do everything from the 5 second time frame, that's correct, 5 second time frame, all the way up to the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, that's typically how we trade. And our systems, we do this, it's not a buy now, sell now mentoring. What I offer is what I teach people to so they can fish for themselves. So people already come in as traders, perhaps struggling traders, and then I show them how they can get a time freedom as well as financial freedom, depending on if they follow the rules very easily, just by clicking a few buttons. Because what we actually do is we build robots, but no, I would call it strategies. We build robots and strategies using artificial intelligence, AI, and there's many of them. The first thing I want to do is I want to show you what I want. So right now on S&P 500, you can see that I'm on a 15 second. I'll just show you a few different things. Not cherry picking, that's what's happened today. As you can see, that's what's happened today. Very nice day as well. So I'm just show you that. And I'll just show you a few things we've built. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to show you this here. Now, some of you might recognize this. Yeah. Now, I know there's a group out there somewhere that trade on TradingView, and that this thing called, if I let's switch that off, there's this thing called the meta trend. Yeah. Well, we have one too, but our meta trend is color coordinated. When the background is green and everything else is above the green, we only take buys. When it's white or whatever color you wish, that's right, you only take sells. Does that make sense? You wouldn't take that sell in a green area. Just wait for the pullback and then you go boom. Step one. Step one, two, if you want to put this on, it looks a bit busy. There's a company called I Am Academy, and they have something similar to this, where we have these momentum candles that hits this here. But what we've done is we've got a break and retest. So you could be, once you get 4 red candles, you can enter the trade right there, and your exit at any point you wish, but there, boom. Exit the trade, wait for the pullback, as you can see, and then double click, and I put on a couple of oscillators on the bottom. I don't know why it's not letting me. I put on my volume monitor, ladies and gentlemen. Put my volume monitor. You can see it goes by. Instant profit. We do not take that sell. Why do we not take that sell? Because the background is green. We let the pullback happen. It hits here. There's a next one. To get what we call a cash stick. What we call it says buy. The background is green. Instant profit once again. So let me ask you a question. At any point there, would you be looking to sell, go short at any point there? Absolutely not. Exit the trade if you wish. Yeah, get back in if you wish. It just simply goes to the moon. Now, it is simple. It's very effective. It's not always easy. What's not easy about it, just to be completely honest with you, is it's following the rules. Some people create their own rules. So step one, find the trend direction. Is the background green or is the background white? Or you prefer red or blue? You choose. That's the meta trend. We have the direction of the trend. And this is a 15-second time frame. You can choose any direction time frame you want. We can trade trading instruments. If you want to trade EUR USD, you can. This is futures EUR USD. I'll show you up here. EUR USD. Now, futures on the fat 15-second doesn't look as good. So we have a couple of options. But you can see what we've got. The background is green. We're only taking the buys. At any point, are you selling there? And for most people, tell me that would be enough for them for the day. You don't take that sell no matter how good that looks, because the background is what? Green. You wait for it to turn green. This is the 15-second, ladies and gentlemen. We get the buy, and simple, easy. Very exit the trade if you like. Go back in, exit the trade. That's one strategy. Yeah, it's very, very good. So I'll switch that off. That's called the 30-minute trader direction, which you can only get in mine. The money line, you can only get in mine, or which got variations of this, depending on how you want to use it. Yeah. Next one I'm going to show you is people are doing this on the 5-second and the 15-second. Really low time frames. Powerful. If you see some of the results, really good. So the first thing I'm going to do, guess what? I'm going to find out the trend direction. That was easy, wasn't it? Now let's get a different trading instrument. So I've showed you there. I could show you gold, silver, Bitcoin. I could show you NASDAQ. I could show you oil. Anything you like. Yep. So that's the first thing. So let's just, you see what happened there? It went red, the background there. So you take a sell. Everything is, yeah. We could then simply add on a couple of other tools we're going to build into it. And I'll show you something else in a minute. Let me show you these here. I think I've dropped one there, actually. But let's have a look at this. Now, let's look at this later. I'm now going to remove the candles because it's trust. And I want to give you the rules. I'm actually going to remove the candles. Click here. Now, I'm going to recommend people do this. They do it on two different charts. They have one chart, full candles, and another chart without candles. So I've got this here. I remove this here. And I put a couple of other bits of secret sauce on here. Yeah. So my meta trend, my 30-minute trader direction, why do we call it 30-minute trader direction? Because this is built for busy people. It works on the 1 minute, the 5, the 50, also other time, and the hour. But typically it's built. So we're entering the trade, but let's just see some of these. Everything must be grey with mine, with my charts for a sell and green for a buy. If it's not green for a buy, there's no trade. Yep. So everything is grey, and here, boom. So I've got one of these I call a cash stick. Enter that trade. For exits, we have two choices. One, when the candles here go yellow. Second, when it turns green here, or goes over that there. That's it. Is that clear enough? I hope that shows you how simple this can be. If you want to put the candles on, there. At no point was the candles not yellow until there. At any point was that a buy. Again, simple, easy, very effective. Let's go back in time. Let's Let's when it went, we had a meta trend change of direction. The 30-minute. Let's go back. Oh my God, this was buying all the time. Powerful. So there we go. Double click. Green. It was not green. Oh, we had a little bit there. But if you missed that, you stay out until it goes green there. There. Now, reach this, ladies and gentlemen. It's completely aligned. Green background. We've just had a pullback. Stay in the trade, and there's the yellow. She would probably enter with break even or even a small loss. That's live. Next one. There. Again, you can exit any point you wish there or at the latest sale. So there's three types of trades: small losses, small wins, or big wins. There's only three types of trades you'll get. Now, let me use traditional Forex pairs now. So you think, oh, it only works on futures. No, it doesn't, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm just going to go here. I'm going to go through, I think some of you, let's do EUR USD. Oh, let me see. Yeah. Most commonly traded pair in the world. So let's just go through this. Now, please remember, I am on a 15-second time frame. I will jump up for almost, in fact, I'll do it now, to the 1 minute time frame. Yeah, it's really slow. Now, once you're on the 5 second, the 15-second, it's really difficult. So let's just go to the last time. There we go there. The last time it changed, went there. At that point, we're looking for a sell. So, show you how easy this is. At this point, the candles are green, and it's above these lines. And guess what? This is not grey. So when this turns grey, there, yeah, it's grey at the bottom. We have yellow candles. So that means the end of the uptrend. And when they turn grey in this case, enter the trade. And now stay in the trade, exit at any point until you get your first yellow, proper yellow candle there or there. And if I just show you what that normally looks like, it was a monster of a trade. Let me show you what that looks like again without the candles, but I showed you what it looks like with the candles. You can exit anytime you wish. Hide the candles. It's nice and smooth. Goes yellow there. So that's just a couple. I don't want to give you too much because this was an introduction. So for all those people who have asked, thank you very much. My name is Jeff Goodwin. Inside my mentoring bootcamp, day one, in fact, let me show you that. We start at the start of the month. You can come in now, but we don't allow people into the live session. You can join now. And what you have is you have full access. That's right. You have full access to everything, but you do not have the live sessions because we do a boot camp at the start of the month. Let me show you the last 2 months boot camps. And we go to guide 2, then we go to guide 1. So guide 2 was last month. So choosing your strategy. Yeah, AI, how to optimize your strategy. Final checks. Yeah. Then what we did this month. How do you want to trade now? This was significant difference. So the people were in last month to this month, already they're starting to think different. This is our inner circle group. How do you want to trade? So based on that, we tell AI how we want to trade. We feed the information into different forms of AI. We choose a strategy. And I showed you here different things. We create the chat strategy. We improve the strategy. We optimize the strategy. And it goes on and on and on. We have 9 sessions per week. It's my friend, 9 sessions per week. And you can see here, that's them there. You'll see people in here, a lot of time people winning trades. Last week, Chris, amazing trader. One day she did 5,000, another day 500, another day 500. Rob, another amazing trader. In the last 2 days, he's, I think it's 25 trades, scalping on a 5-second time frame, and he's won 22 out of 25. He is, we call him Professor Dicker. Wade Thomas, another these guys are absolutely amazing in here. Small group, but they've come on such a long way. If you want to get access to this, you very well can reach out and yes, it's paid mentorship. Some people already asked, you know what that is. Have a wonderful day. Genuinely thank you for taking the time, and I'll see you at the top. Bye for now.